starting with the monkey prep and developing it into the Kong vault. Many people don't know the difference between the monkey vault and the Kong vault, but how I was taught it is the monkey vault is just going over the vault as simple as you can, but the Kong vault is sort of stretching and elongating your body to fulfill a certain distance, either diving over something to get to the obstacle or clearing the obstacle as far as you can. So starting with this tutorial, we're going to start with the monkey prep. So you need a vault or something you can vault over around knee to belly button height. I've got my vault here to use. You want to make sure you can jump onto the vault as it makes it easier to progress and develop. So you're going to come up for the takeoff. You're going to take off on a two-footed approach like this, and land two-footed as well. So for the hands, you're going to push with your hands, starting in a low position, jumping up and putting your hands as far to the end as you can. Your hands want to stay there. You flick and push. Do that a couple of times until you feel confident with it, and then you can progress into the monkey vault. Once you feel confident with doing the monkey prep, then you can progress onto the monkey vault. You want to take off on the same two-footed approach, but this time, when you put your hands on, instead of keeping them flat on the vault, you want to flick, and this enables you to go up and across at the same time, giving you further distance. You also want to tuck in a nice tuck position, a really tight tuck, and you want to flick your hands. You release the tuck and your hands once your legs pass your hands. You see what I mean? Just like this. Keep practicing this until you can land with your chest up and standing sort of upright, like this. And then once you've done that, you're ready to progress into the Kong vault. So once you've got the monkey vault sorted and you're confident that you can progress into the Kong vault, then you want to come up in the same two-footed approach, just like last time. But this time, instead of going as close to the vault as you can, you want to take a few steps away. I start with round 2, mark that position, and then you want to take off there, and then every time you increase it a little bit and elongate your body and stretch out. So then you go to your mark, add another 2 or 1 depending on how confident you are, and then you can do it again. And then finally, when you're nearly at your limit, mine's about here, then you just keep it going, just increase it a tiny bit further, and it will increase, it'll look cooler as well. So once you've done all that, you've completed the Kong vault. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Comment if you've been able to do this trick, or if you haven't. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And as I'm going on holiday in the next few days, I'm not going to be active on YouTube. So with these 3 videos, the one today, tomorrow and on Saturday, I'm going to ask you to try and get them to 15 likes. If you get them to 15 likes, any one of them, I'm going to upload the compilation video of a sport called footballing, where you get a gym ball or an exercise ball about this big. You bury it in the sand, like at a beach, leave a few centimetres at the top, so once you jump on it, it acts as a trampoline. I'm going to do all sorts of tricks off of that. So if we get any of these videos 15 likes, then I'll post that as soon as I get back from holiday. I hope you enjoyed this video.